Designed to outperform, outlast and overdeliver, EZRoll wheels and casters feature a sculpted polyurethane tyre on a cast iron wheel. They offer superior ergonomics and an extended life, whilst improving user safety, streamlining workflows and improving efficiency. There are several ways to configure a caster push-pull test. The setup can be configured so the swivel casters are set to 0 degrees and aligned with the direction of travel. This test requires the least effort to induce movement, as the caster doesn't need to realign itself upon applying the longitudinal force. The second option is to set the casters to a rotation of 90 degrees, perpendicular to the direction of travel. This tends to be the most challenging test, as a stronger initial force is required to induce rotation within the body of the caster. The third option is to set the casters at a rotation of 180 degrees, opposite to the direction of travel. This test represents the best balance of real-world conditions. The initial application of force is smaller, but the caster will eventually reorientate itself to the direction of travel, introducing a level of resistance. We choose this third option as a test, as it best represents the caster's performance. The testing procedure starts by loading a cart to the maximum weight a person might be expected to be moving. The cart is then manoeuvred such that the wheels face in the opposite direction of the intended course of travel. We then hook the measuring device to the center of the handlebar. The test pull is started by applying the least amount of force possible to the cart. The tester continues to pull with a consistent force until both casters swivel 180 degrees. For the best results, all movements during testing should be as smooth and consistent as possible. We repeat the test several times, recording the highest forces, and then average out the test results. After extensive testing, we found that our EZRoll casters required up to 25% less force to initiate movement than traditional casters. To visualize these results, we set up a real-world maneuverability test where a user would complete a short slalom with a cart fitted with EZRoll casters. We then repeated the test with a set of generic imported casters. The EZRoll casters clearly outperformed the generic casters in terms of smoothness and direction change. With superior ergonomics, extra rugged materials and an extended wheel life, EZRoll is the smart choice for your workplace.